Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video update on Solana. We had some major news over the course of this night, at least for me. So that's what I wanted to report on real quick. I wanted to give you my thoughts on that. And in general, we have that Crypto White House Summit coming up. I'm actually, like I've said this in my last couple of videos, but I kind of want to know when that actually is. But so quite a lot of things are going on, so that's why I wanted to give you an update here on Solana and what's going on specifically with Solana, because I also covered Bitcoin and XRP, which the news is also very relevant for, of course. Yeah, it's somewhere on Friday. I would assume it's towards the end of today. So it still takes some time, but that's a major event we're kind of working towards, and we're kind of gathering some hype before as well. Because what you can see is that even with the news we had overnight, which I haven't even talked about, but the news that we got is that the US government will not acquire additional assets for the crypto stockpile. So that matters for Solana, because Solana was one of the cryptos that was named for this crypto stockpile. So what this means for Solana specifically, and why Trump named Solana, because I'm not sure if they actually have forfeited Solana, because that's now the idea, right? So that they will actually just use the crypto that was forfeited from hacks, etc., and just in general from legal cases, to fund that crypto stockpile. So they're not going to buy any additional assets. And to my knowledge, I mean, I'm thinking real hard right here, but to my knowledge, they don't have any Solana yet. Obviously, a lot of bad things happened on Solana in February. So they might actually have some cases where they'll be able to get those Sol coins. But at this point of time, I don't think so. So what that caused is a bearish reaction from the markets, of course, that news. But also a quite immediate bounce back up. I mean, right now, the price is basically at the same levels as where it was yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening after normal price action. So it seems like the market already expected this. And maybe we should have drawn that conclusion already with the intense drop we had on Monday. That we should have concluded, like, all right, well, the market thinks this is just all bullshit, and no Solana will be bought up, which obviously would explain the move. But that means that even though the news seems very, very big, I think for the price, it's actually not that big. I think we're still in this consolidation, and you can actually see that we're still gaining some momentum here this morning as well. So in a sense, that's a good thing. Now, Solana specifically, is still not doing great. The entire market is not doing great, of course, but if you take a look at Solana specifically, I mean, the DEX trading volume is down to $1.9 billion right here. That's the lowest since February the 22nd, but before that, the last time we had that was the beginning of November, so that's not great. The TVL is also, again, in a downtrend after a bit of a bump on Monday and Sunday. So in general, fundamentally, Solana is just not strong. It's also, if you compare Solana and its price action to its competitors, such as XRP and Cardano, it's extremely weak. I'm not sure if we can actually, if we have some synthetic pairs. XRP, Sol maybe. Sol XRP. Yeah, right, on BitTrue, I can actually show you it. But here you can see Sol XRP, basically since the 3rd of February. Solana has lost a huge amount of value, not only against XRP, but also against Cardano, which is kind of unexpected. So do I expect much from Solana here? No. If you actually look, the main kind of hype that's building up in the markets right now is ahead of the Crypto White House Summit. I do expect some bullish momentum ahead of that. I don't think Solana is the coin to buy if you want exposure to that. I think you're much better off with something like XRP. I think that's stronger. Even though the market cap is higher, I think at this point of time that's stronger. I think the chart we just saw also confirms that. So do I think that Solana will be able to hold its support right here? Its local support at 130? Yes. All right, so I do think Solana will remain stable. And I even think that if we get a strong breakout above 150 here, so if this bullish momentum in the market continues, we can move back up to 162 and 165. However, I don't see any reason why we would break out above that unless something drastically changes. And I even think it's more likely down the line, so next week, week after that we will actually test support lower. But yeah, that's it. That's sort of thing you need to know for Solana for today, and for the next couple of days in general. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.